Hello everyone! If you're looking for some of the best car rental deals worldwide, QEEQ is a platform you'll want to check out. They partner with hundreds of rental companies across more than 200 countries. So whether you need a car in Europe, Asia, or the US, QEEQ makes it easy to find affordable rates. Now, how do you save money with QEEQ? The first step is to always use the link in your description where you can unlock exclusive discounts and special offers. QEEQ also runs a membership program called the Diamond Membership, which gives you up to 50% off on rentals, free upgrades, and big customer service. Another tip, booking early usually guarantees the lowest prices, especially for popular destinations. As for the features, QEEQ is much more than just a booking platform. They provide 24/7 customer support, transparent pricing, and flexible cancellation policies. The research tool allows you to compare vehicles across dozens of suppliers in seconds, from economy cars to SUVs and luxury options. They also offer insurance, add-on, and deposit-free bookings, which makes renting abroad less stressful. If you're planning a trip and want affordable car rentals, make sure you check out the description link for special discounts available only through QEEQ.